Hello, writers. Um, Very exciting day. We're going to start a new writing unit. Okay, so big day. We started our year writing about small moment stories, so narrative stories about our real life, things that have happened in our real life. Then we spent time writing informational texts. So all your teaching books are still sitting in our classroom. Remember that? Um, So now we're starting a new unit, and this unit is about opinion writing. So you're going to use your writing to form opinions about stuff, and then you're going to try and persuade others to share that opinion too with you, okay? So before we get started on our lesson, I'd like you to get a piece of writing paper. I just have blank paper right next to me, so that's what I'm going to use. A pencil or something to write with, and then I'd like you to gather just a small collection of something that you have a lot of. So it could be Legos, Matchbox cars, little these people. I'm trying to think of things that Pokemon cards, little dolls, baseball cards, stickers. The little collection I'm going to be using is actually not mine, but it's Reese's. It's this box. She has a collection of hair accessories. So this is the little collection I'm going to use. I'm just going to grab some things from here. So come back with those things: a paper to write, your writing paper, pencil, and a small collection of things. Okay, see you in a few minutes. All right, now that we have the things we need, we have our little collection, paper, and a pencil. I want to teach you that people who know a lot about something, so maybe somebody that keeps a collection of things, they think about what is their favorite, what's their next favorite, and then they tell people about their opinions. So my husband and I might talk about Led Zeppelin and my favorite Led Zeppelin song and his favorite Led Zeppelin songs. Okay, we were doing this just the other day. Mine's Tangerine. Or I was thinking about a dog show, right? So if I've only seen dog shows on TV, but um, I'm making a mental movie and there's a judge, and then the people bring their dogs, and the judges, they look at how the dog walks, maybe they look at the fur, maybe how the dog behaves. So they pick certain things to judge, and then they look at that same thing on each dog. So we're going to do that with our own collection. Okay? We're going to put everything in a line. Okay? So let's do that first. So maybe if you pick maybe 5 things in your collection, put them in a line. Okay, in front of you. I'm going to do the same. Okay. I put some hair clips in a line. Okay? So here are the clips, bows I'm going to be judging today. Okay? So hopefully you have a few things in a line too. So the first thing we're going to do, just like in a dog show, and the dogs, they're in a line, right? And now the second thing we're going to do is compare the same thing on each item. So if you have Pokemon cards out, maybe you're comparing how much power each one has. Thinking which one would be the best based on power. If you have animal figurines or dolls, maybe you compare their stripes or spots or hair, something like that. So compare them. All right, but it has to be the same thing that you're comparing. So I'm going to judge maybe the glitter on these bows. All right. So which has the best glitter? This one has some glitter on it. This one doesn't have any. Not really. Holy moly. This one is super glittery. Okay, so this one is the one with the most glitter on it. Okay. That could be a reason why this one's the best. All right, something else. Comfort. I'm going to judge my collection on how comfortable everything is. Oof, this one's not comfortable. I'm going to put that aside. I know this one, the clip, it doesn't really keep my hair in place very much. It falls out super easily. Same with this one. Down to these two. Their clips are similar, but this one's slightly bigger. So this one is more comfortable because it's bigger, it can grab more of my hair, and it stays in place. This one is kind of in the winner's circle right now. All right, think about some ways to compare your collections. Okay. All right, I'm gonna think, what's another way? Color, I could think about which color I like the best. I might look for which color is the brightest. Okay, which would come down to these two for me. Okay, so do that a little bit with your collection. Be a judge to your own collection, okay? And try a few different ways, thinking which one has the best blank. Okay? So do that, and I'm going to keep doing mine. So I'm going to push pause to let you do that. And you can push pause too on the video to do it. Okay, now that you have judged your collection, now is some time that you can write about it, all right? Before you write, practice what you're going to write. So remember that we're doing opinion writing. So one way you could start your writing is by saying, in my opinion, blank is the best because, or let's see, in my opinion, Clay Matthews football card is the best because, I don't know. But for me, in my writing, I'm going to decide which one is the best, and I'm going to give reasons. And I want you to do the same thing in your writing. You're going to decide what in your collection of stuff is the best and give reasons. And I want you to use the word because. All right? So I wrote a little list here. To judge fairly, here are the steps. Put everything in a line. Compare the same thing on each, thinking which one has the best. By the way, reason why I just woke up, so the lesson might be cut a little short, but we'll do what we can. Number 3, decide which is best and give reasons. Say because. All right, we want to persuade others in our opinion writing. Okay, so I'm going to get to work on my writing. In my opinion, the pink sparkle clip is the best in Reese's Hair Box collection because it is the one with the most sparkles. It is really strong because it keeps my hair in place. Another reason is because it's bigger, and I like to have big, sparkly clips in my hair. Okay, so I'll share what I have written, and you can share what you have written, okay? And share it on your Seesaw page. Take a picture of it and share it. You can also use the voice, I think it's a microphone button, and you can read it to me. All right, that'd be awesome. Okay. And I'll push pause, I'll do some writing, and then I'll come back and show you what I did. Okay, we're back. I took some time to write my opinion about the pink sparkle clip being the best. I stated my opinion and I gave reasons. Okay, I used the word because when I gave my reasons. So here we go. In my opinion, the pink sparkle clip is the best clip because it has the most glitter. It is also very strong. Another reason the pink sparkle clip is the best is because it is the most comfortable. For all of these reasons, the pink sparkle clip is the best. So can you judge your collection, compare the same thing on each, thinking which has the best, and then decide and give reasons, all right? And then post it on Seesaw, okay? All right, say goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye.